lizard thing. So yeah. First off, you get 2 Oreos. And then you mush them up. Fun. Mush them up. Mush, 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 mush. Just do the whole cookie. If you don't know what Oreos are, they're 2 cookies. They're cookies. Some good cookies. My favorite is the bestest. No. Okay. And then when it's almost up, you get yourself some vanilla ice cream. If you want exact, you get this kind. I'm just kidding. Oh, and you also need whipped cream. These are supplies. 2 Oreos, whipped cream, and vanilla ice cream. Don't get too much, guys, because, yeah, just don't. You'll thank me later. And that's pretty good. Right? A little bit more. Just a little bit. Okay, so I'm just leaving this out because Lee's over here. So if you don't know who Lee is, I don't know what he is. And okay. Oh! And you put some whipped cream in so that it can get creamy. Okay, guys. I don't know how we figured this out with whipped cream and ice cream, but however we did, we did. Hey, Blaze. Oh my god! I'm gonna eat that! And it's not give it to your dog! Please don't give this to your dog. If you have a dog, or your cat, or your pet. Just don't give it to your pet. No matter what your pet is. Should I keep it in your mouse? Don't give it to your mouse if you have a mouse. Okay. I think a little more ice cream will do. We don't want it to be like too low. We don't want it to be too hot either, so just 1 more scoop. I think just like that. That'll do. And then just mix it in. I don't need to add any more whipped cream. So if you guys are like doing this and you need, like you're doing a big one, then use as for, honestly guys, just use as much Oreos as you want, but like if you want the perfect amount, use 2, I guess. Oh my god! Your hands might get a little messy, but try not to stick your fingers in your food. Just mix it up until it looks a bit like frosted, I guess, sort of ish. Yeah. Sorry about the noise in the background. There's a lot going on. Oh, and Lee's doing this to me. But not recording it because I decided I'm going to, right?
Yeah, I'm not going to give you
Lee's the lucky winner to put the stuff away. Since I was the chosen one to record it. Man. And then dump your Oreo in. Oh, I forgot to show you guys what it looked like. Okay, well, I think I showed you, but whatever. And then, like, make sure you get the cream in it because the cream's really good.
Just make sure to get double stuffed Oreo.
If you want.
If you want. It's better.
Okay, I'm gonna put this away and then we're gonna mix it up. I'll clean that up. Okay guys, so now you have to mix this up until it gets all in. Okay, so once it gets mixed up to your liking, enjoy. Bye!